student. Welcome to Pankaj Institute of Engineering. Today we are discussing about AMI Section A, the subject of Material Science and Engineering. It's a very difficult subject for AMI Section A, and it is a very compulsory subject of AMI Section A. That's name Material Science and Engineering. Today we are discussing about the syllabus of material science, and the syllabus is on group A. Today we are discussing these points: introduction to material, and what points are discussed in the introduction to material and alloy, ceramics, polymer, semiconductor, and introduction and application and engineering materials. So today we are discussing only metals and alloy in this video, and then in next video we are discussing ceramics. So let's start. Now we have defined definition of material. What is definition of material? A substance that can be used for making or doing something. Means if we need any things, there is an example in COVID taking material mask. So what we be need for making a mask? So then we have need these things, these types of material like tightly woven cotton, such as that used for make high thread count sets, four layer mask, a four layer of silk mixture of fabrics such as cotton and flannel, or cotton and chiffon are good material for making mask. Means if we need a mask, so what is material required for making this mask? So there are many types of material that using for making a mask, like cotton fabric, and we understand what is material means making or doing something. Okay, topics. Now we are discussing metal. What is metal? Metal definition: metal is a material that has metallic properties, iron and carbon. Purity: about the purity of pure substance, means there is no any type of mixture. Not mixture. Not mixed, yani nothing is mixed in the metal form. Formation: some metals occur in the pure form, while we need to perform refining for other metals. Now we're discussing occurrence. Pure metals occur in nature. Means occurrence means found. You can also found means pure metals. How to receive pure metals? It's received by nature. Then reaction: most of the times easily react with air and water. Yani means metal which types of reacts? This reacts with air and water. Okay. Now we are discussing alloy. Definition: alloy is a substance which has two or more components mixed with a metal. Means if we mixed two components in a metal, it's called alloy. Means that iron and carbon we are mixed in both in a same container, that we received steel, it is called alloy. Purity: contain more two or more components are mixed. Two plus 1 plus 1 means we can add more of substance that for making allow. Now a formation by adding a small percentage of metal, uh, percentage of other metals or non-metals to a metal means if we need allow, so we need more. uh, if you want to make a allow, when we need two more substance, two more substance means two to three materials mixed in a group after reaction that we received allow, it's called a formation. Occurrence man-made materials we can't found by nature, we 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 made by us, sorry, allow made by us, it's called man-made materials. Reaction don't react with air and water easily means allow don't react with air and water. Okay, thanks for showing my video. Best of luck. Thanks. Goodbye.